tip tips. In this video, we are going to create about how to make a desktop app in Windows using Microsoft Visual Studio on 2022. For that, open Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. And then you can click create a new project so that you can create a new project. So here you can choose your project templates. I am choosing which C# and all platform is Windows and all project types are desktop. And then you have to choose the Windows Forms app .NET framework and then click next. So it will ask your app name. So I am giving the app name as my app. And then click the checkbox and then click create so that it will be creating. You can click choose the location where you want to save the application. And then this is the preview window for your app making. So that you can make a button or checkbox or more text and more. So we are going to make a button in this. How to make a button? We will see. Click the toolbar left and then you can see so many options. Click the common controls and then you can see lot of options. And then click the second one, button, and drag and drop in the preview screen. And then double click it. If you double click it, you can see one more tab opening. You can open one more tab here for your editing. So this is a private void button one. _click objects and the event arches. So under that you can see text. So that in that type messagebox.show. Messagebox.show. It will help if you click in the startup. If you click the button one, and it will be showing what you have typed here. For that, click the type the messagebox.show. You can see the suggestions here. Messagebox.show. Or you can type what you want. Messagebox.show. S should be capital here. There it will be work. And then click and then put the bracket. Inside the bracket you have to put the colons. Double colons. And then after the bracket after this thing, after the bracket, put a semicolon. And inside these strings, you can type what you want. It will show in the app if you click button. And I'm writing tip tips. And click enter. And now click the Ctrl+C, Ctrl+Z and click Ctrl+S to save this and it will be working. And then click start. Then a window will opening. So you can see form 1, button 1. If you click that, the tip tips will come. If you click OK, it will be closed. So here we put the tip tips, right? Messagebox.show, bracket strings and tip tips. it will be showing here if you click the button. Now we will see how to customize this button in the view. You can increase the size of the button, and you can change the color of the button, and you can do what you want. So for that, for increasing the size, you can see a arrow mark here. Click and pull what size you want, like a button. And then you can also adjust the text size. Here you can see properties, button 1 properties. And here is for control. For control is text control. We can change the color here. For color, if you click that, you can see a down arrow mark here. If you click that, you can see 3 options: system, web, custom. Click the custom and you can see more colors for your button. If I am choosing yellow, and then the button will change into yellow. If you choose the red, the button will change into red. We can also change the font style, font size also above the 4 color. And if you click that, you can see 3 dots, and then click that, you can see font style and font size. You can see 3 options like this. You can select your own font size. I'm choosing 36. And then here is the font style. I'm choosing bold. And then here is the font you want. I'm choosing this. And click enter. So here are the effects. If you click choose, and it will be changed like you custom. Now we will see how to change the button's background color. For that, go top, and you can see background color in the button, in the appearance sections. So click that, you can see a down button, and go to custom. There are three sections: system, web, and custom. You go to custom and you can see more colors here. I'm choosing black in the background, and it will be changed into black. And then you can also put the background image in the back of the button or in the button. So this is how we custom the button. There are a lot of customization, not only this. I will put in the part 2. Now if you want one more, if you click OK, and then it loads the tech tips. So that one more message box we can put. For that, go to the end of the semicolon and click enter, and again type the message box dot show. It should be capital like the top one, and put the bracket, and then inside the bracket you have to put double quotations. After the string and the bracket, you have to put the semicolon, and then inside the bracket you have to put what you want. I'm choosing tech tips part 2. If you click the controllers to save this, and then only it will be working, and click the startup to show the your editor, and we edited in the Forms 1 design, right? It was edited like exact. The red color, but the red color font's color, and the background is black color. If you click the button, it is first step tips, like here we put it, right? And then if you click OK, it will be tech tips part 2. Here we put, right? Yeah, you can even more add more than it is infinity. You can put how many message box you want. If you put another button, you can also put another message box. That I will be shown now. For stopping this, you have to click close and then go to Forms 1 Design, the private, the temporary screen, and then you can adjust the button like this, and you can also put the button one more button 2. You can also rename the button 1 text. For that, go to the bottom. So design name. So that is button 1, and click the. I am choosing channel. You can choose what you want. Oh no, it is. So you have to go to top for changing the text of the button. Where is it? Yeah, here. Text. You can see text, bottom of the image key and bottom of the image list and bottom of the right to left. You can see text and click that, it will be button 1. So you can rename what you want. I am choosing channel and click enter. The button name will be changed into channel to button 1 to channel. And then you can also put the one more button in this screen. For that, go to again toolbar, and you can also enable the common controls, and again drag and drop the button, and then you can customize here. First we will customize here now, and then the text is here. I'm putting, you can rename what you want. I'm renaming it channel 2, and then it is image, and after that you can see 4 color. If you click that, it is control text. You can change the text color. You can see the three sections here: system, web, custom. If you go to custom, you can see lot of colors. I'm choosing blue, and then you can also change the font style and font size and font. For that, click the above of the 4 color, and then click the three dots, and then you can see font style, size, and there are 3 controls. I'm choosing 36, and then I'm putting bold. I'm choosing this and click OK, and then it will be changed like this. So its name is correct, not correct. Channel 2, enter. So it's renamed successfully, and we are going to edit the buttons. For that, click double click the button. One thing we forgot, to change the back color in the button. For that, go to up and back color, you can see white. Click that and go to click the bottom arrow mark, and you can see the 3 text: system, web, custom. So go to custom, you can see lot of color. I'm choosing red. I'm choosing the 4 color as black, and then we are going to edit the channel 2 button. We don't need to again click the double click because it is already opened, and you can see private void button 2 underscore click object sender event arrange. So here it will be button 2, but here it will be channel 2 channel. Okay, so again put the message box dot show. Again the S should be capital here, and put the bracket and then click the and choose and type the double quotations. After the quotations and bracket, put a semicolon. Inside the strings, you can put and you can type what you want. I'm typing tips 3 and click and then click put the colon, it should be semicolon, and click Ctrl plus S so that it will be it will be saved, and click start so that the build will be success. And you can we put one more button, right, channel 2 in the window also, it will be there, channel 2. So we have put the message box dot show, and inside the strings we put tips 3. Then if you click the channel, it will be got tips 3. So you can build your own app like this. I mean a desktop app. For building a own mobile app, we should put in the another website or app. So I will put it in the another video. And if you click channel, you can see tips and tips part 2. You can also put one more message box dot show in the second button also. You can also put a lot of infinity. The buttons are infinity. You can put how many you want, and message box are also infinity. You can put how many you want. Now again put the message box dot show, and the S should be capital. Put a bracket, and inside the bracket you have to put the double quotations. There are called strings, and after the bracket you have to put semicolon. Semicolon. Inside the one bracket is missing. Inside the bracket you can put what you want. I'm choosing tips. Tips 4, and then click Ctrl S to save this, and then click start to view the window we edited. So we put the one more message box dot show in the button 2. If you click the channel 2, it is button 2. If you first, it will be showing tips 3, and if you click OK, it will be showing tips 4, and click OK. So in the first also we put tips, and if you click OK, it is tips part 2. So you can put how many buttons you want for the screen size, and then lot of customizations are there. I will put another video on next February, how to make a mobile app. So this video will be continued by the part 2. Now thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel Tip Tips. For that, you can, if I post a video, you can see it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click the like button. If you didn't like this video, please hit the dislike button. Thank you.